Working on a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Customer complained my blower motor is making a tacking or a knocking noise. Just by that symptom, some of you guys might know what I'm talking about. And I dropped the blower motor. We've got some evidence in there of a dead mouse. Let's pull it out and see how bad it is. Man, this guy almost became some sushimi with this fan. Customer didn't notice this on the day before, but then all of a sudden the next morning when he turned the remote start and hopped in the car, all he heard was a big tuck 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 noise. So yeah, poor guy. Let's get this cleaned up. Man, it is gruesome. There's blood splattered all the insides of this thing. Man, I feel bad for this guy. Definitely suffered. Blower motor's back together, all cleaned up, and she sounds back to normal. Awesome.